SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to delete an audio message on an iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you've previously disabled the option that lets your iPhone automatically delete audio messages, or if you would like to delete them faster than your phone is deleting them, then you can manually delete an audio message. You can do this by opening the Messages app. You can then select the conversation that contains the message you would like to delete, and then you can tap and hold on the audio message. That's going to bring up a new menu where you can choose the More option, and then you can make sure that this little check mark to the left of the audio message is checked, and then you just need to tap the trash can icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now you can choose Delete Message to confirm that you would like to delete the audio message from your phone. Now, as I mentioned earlier, there is an option where your iPhone can automatically delete messages after 2 minutes. If that's turned off and you would like to turn it back on, then you can open the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Messages option from this menu. Then you can scroll down again until you find the Audio Messages section, where you can choose the Expire option. And then if you want your iPhone to automatically delete audio messages after you listen to them after 2 minutes, then you just need to choose that option and you're all set.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.